Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
And today we're gonna be doing the me and my sister exchange our makeups. So if you want to see how this turns out, just keep on watching. So here's your okay, let's get ready. So just for the video not to be that long, we already did our eyebrows. I used her pomade, which is dark brown, and I usually use the Auburn, but she used that one. So
Okay, so the two palettes that I'm gonna be working with today are both of the Jeffreestar Cosmetics palettes, the Beauty Killer and the Adrogony.
And she gave me the Take Me Back to Brazil and the Jacylynhill palette. So these are the two palettes that I'm going to be working with. So yeah, let's get started. So I usually start with my concealer and priming my eyelids. So what are you?
I also start with my concealer, so I'm gonna be going in with her concealer. That's the L'Oreal Paris Blur concealer,
and she's using the Wetnwild and light medium beige.
Do you really use this eyeliner as the concealer?
Yes, I used it yesterday.
I really don't. So I'm gonna set my eyes with the shade White China from the Jeffree's Beauty Killer.
And she goes in with the Airspun in translucent. So yeah, let's set. Okay guys, so on me there's not a lot of difference, like a dramatic difference that you can be like, oh, but on her it's super white.
Well, it looks super white on camera, but it doesn't look that white in person.
It does. It does look white. Okay guys, so we're back with our tape. We're using just normal transparent tape, and we're gonna go in with I gave me this palette, which as you can see, very colorful.
She gave me these two babies right here.
So with this one and this one. So you're gonna be using this one, and I want you to use all these 4 colors right here. All these ones.
From the Jaclyn Drip, just basically going to be using the colors you're going to need, the neutrals, but I want you to pop this color in somewhere.
This one?
Yes.
using the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in shade Desert Dazzle. Yeah. And I'm just going to be using the gold glitter from here. Do mascara and eyelashes off camera, and we'll be back. We're back already from eyelashes and mascara. So yeah, so what do you do next after you do your eyelashes and mascara?
After I already finished doing my eyelashes and mascara and my whole eye in general, I just prime my face.
Okay.
And the primer that we both use is actually the same one. It's the L'Oreal Paris Miracle Blur Primer.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna apply it everywhere. The foundation that I'm gonna be using is the Wetnwild in the shade Classic Beige.
And the one I'm going to be using her foundation, it's the Desert Beige. Okay, now with this fluffier side, I'm gonna go in with the last eyeshadow that she told me to use, and it's this one.
Well, the highlighter that she uses is the MaryLou Manizer from the Balm Cosmetics.
Going with
So you don't spray some setting spray before you put this on?
No.
Oh, okay.
Guys, look at this black eyeliner.
Also puts highlight on her teardrop. I don't do this, but she does it, so I'm gonna do it.
For highlight, she goes in, her favorite is the Beauty Creations Scandalous Glow Kit, and you can tell this is her favorite. Look, pretty hit pan on both of the colors that she uses. Is this enough for you?
You forgot your chin. It is enough for you. Forgot your chin.
Chin. I don't like putting highlight in my chin.
Her favorite mascara, that is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara.
Okay. Okay, so after this, what else? No blush?
No blush.
No blush?
Yes.
No blush.
Yes, blush.
Oh, yes, blush?
Yes, I put blush. I put blush.
You had me scared for a little bit. So she uses the same one as me, the Feisty from the Tarte.
I'm just gonna use the Mario setting spray and just set my whole face with it. Okay.
And the same as well with her. I'm just gonna set and then do lips.
So the go-to lips for Carla, it's actually the Gimme Mocha from Wetnwild. And just top it up with her favorite lip gloss, this rose gold.
The lipstick that she gave me is from Wetnwild as well. And it's shade Got Topic. So this is all she gave me. So this is the final look.
This is mine.
This is what we came up with our exchanging our makeups. And so yeah, if you really like this video, if you enjoy it, please give it a like, and also comment down below something that you do different, that we do different from you. We would like to know, and subscribe. So thank you. Bye bye.